You ever sit there and just get absolutely baffled with what engineers do sometimes? Like, as to why they do certain things? I got a case like that right now. So I'm changing a battery on this Honda CRV. Now, it is a pretty dinky battery. It's tiny. I mean, you can just look at that. That's a small battery. I mean, it's literally what? About 6 inches wide, maybe 12 inches long. It's a dinky battery. I mean, I see motorcycle batteries that big, for Christ's sake. So why on earth do you have battery bolts this big holding it down? I've seen smaller head bolts. These things are massive. Like, seriously, I don't get it. That's a massive bolt. I mean, look at that. That thing, that's like a ½ inch, or maybe a 7/16. But hey, that's bigger than a 10 millimeter, I think. That's a big ass bolt. All right. Yeah, I just thought that was interesting. I wanted to show you. That's like super overkill. But anyway, I mean, I even stepped it down. You know, why step it down? What's the reason for it? I don't know. Anyway, if you're getting anything out of my videos, hit the like button. If you could, please subscribe. It'll help me make more videos. I guess that's about it for today. Hope you guys have a great day. Keep wrenching.